The AGELOCER Original Budapest watch is a sleek and stylish option designed for men who appreciate both form and function. This automatic mechanical watch is not only visually appealing but also boasts a number of key features that make it a standout choice for those in need of a formal timepiece. With a big calendar display and a unique Budapest-inspired design, the watch offers a blend of classic sophistication and modern engineering. The automatic movement means you won't need to worry about battery replacements. The watch powers itself with your wrist movement, adding a touch of convenience to its elegant appeal. Crafted with high-quality materials, this watch exudes durability and luxury. The stainless steel case and scratch-resistant sapphire crystal give it a premium look while ensuring longevity. It's perfect for formal occasions, office wear, or even as a special birthday gift for the discerning man in your life. Price-wise, it sits comfortably in the mid-range for mechanical watches, offering value for money without sacrificing on style or performance. If you're in the market for a high-quality, fashionable, and practical watch, the AGELOCER Original Budapest watch is definitely worth considering. Check out the product through the link in the description